It's day 3 of our cruise. Last night we left Coco Cay, circled around, and then came right back, which is great. We love it. We got a bunch of royal ships in the background over there because they're not doing sailings yet. They're just chilling out there. And today we're doing the water park and then hopefully zip lining. Our first time doing both of these things. This is our second day ever here.
We're gonna catch some thrills.
Here's the cool thing about Coco Cay is they have their own theme song.
They do, and it's catchy.
It is, and they've been singing it and they've been playing it in the ship.
But the problem is that they say perfect day at Coco Cay, and I think it's Coco Cay.
It's supposed to be Coco Cay, so it's weird.
Their rhyming is off.
And you know what? Castaway Cay doesn't have their own theme song, so Coco Cay might be better. Here we go, the Thrill Water Park, home of the tallest water slide in North America. They got a wave pool over there, a little smaller compared to Volcano Bay.
Disney parks and such.
Then there's a tower with a bunch of slides over there, and then the other tower with the rest of the slides over here. What is good about it is that it is compact and you don't have to walk very far in between the slides.
Yeah.
And I see they have a snack shack, which is awesome because I want to go get another chicken sandwich.
Yeah, I didn't even try it yesterday.
We're gonna start with this tower and do these ones first. So pretty much everywhere on the ship and on Coco Cay, they have the markers, the social distancing markers. And also they make you get hand sanitizer. Literally nobody is here.
Nobody's here. It's a private water park. I'm so scared. We're about to do the ones that drop you out. Do I still want to do that? I don't know if I want to do that.
You should do it and then...
I'm scared. Are you going to do it?
Yep.
Are you actually?
Yeah. I'm not gonna walk down the stairs.
Oh my god.
Cross arms and cross legs, okay?
Oh crap.
3, 2, 1.
I have water in each ear hole and each nostril.
Nostril. And like I feel like I got a wedgie even though I wasn't expecting that. It was really fast.
Oh my god. The red one is definitely less intense.
Okay, cool. That was crazy.
Yeah.
And scary. And I feel like when it like counted down 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
yeah.
and I was like,
Okay, now we're both gonna do the red one. It's a hike.
This thing is built very solidly because it's very windy and it's not moving at all. Hey, it's my turn. I'm very scared.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that was so intense. It's so fast and the friction is so intense from how fast it is that you're feeling heat.
I literally couldn't breathe because the water just kept going to my mouth and my eyes. I had to close my eyes and just be like...
But it's super fun, it's amazing. And the view is great.
We're about to eat this guy's friends. We're at the snack shack, getting the crispy chicken sandwich, which is my favorite thing I've had on the cruise so far. And it's not just because Matt Hodgeberg hyped it up.
It kind of is.
It's part of it. This park has been basically empty the entire day. It's almost as if we have perfect day to ourselves.
It's insanely amazing.
It's like a private island excursion.
Love it.
We're now gonna go do zip lining. And guess who hasn't done zip lining before?
I've never done it before.
We've done so many stairs today. We're all strapped in. Now I'm getting a little scared because now it's getting real. So it actually wasn't scary at all.
No, it wasn't.
So there's 3 total We just did 2 of them, now we're doing the last one, which I think will be the coolest one. We did it.
We made it, we're alive.
It was cool. It was just a fun little ride because you get to sit down.
Yeah, I think that was awesome.
After the thrill of the zip line, we went to chill at the ship's pool, and that's when we found something.
So,
What is that?
we found this little hidden duck. And we don't know about this game. We've heard of this, right? Where did we hear about this?
That, like, hiding ducks around the ship is a thing, but I don't know if I'm supposed to take it and re-hide it.
Yeah, so we don't know exactly.
We're just gonna leave it where we found it.
We're gonna leave it where we found it.
But it's awesome, we found it though.
We have just left Coco Key, and now eventually we're going to Cozumel, but tomorrow is a day at sea.
Then there won't be any traffic because we are the only cruise ship on the road.
So last night we thought it was formal night because we Googled when's formal night on the cruise, and it said day 2 and day 6, I think. So we're like, oh, we're, you know, cheating the system and going to Johnny Rockets instead of formal night.
Because we didn't want to get dressed up.
And now we look at the cruise compass and it says tonight is formal night, so now we have to get dressed up.
So after our day of fun in the sun, we got all gussied up so we can go out to formal night.
We got our formal dinner. Somebody got something that's not on the formal menu, but I did. This is the beef tenderloin. So I just found another duck.
That's a lie. That's a lie. That's a bold-faced lie. I found the duck.
Okay, but here he is. He just graduated, I guess. It was right
In these
here.
bushes by the windjammer.
Look, it has a note. You should read the note.
Okay. Congratulations. You
graduated.
found a cruising duck. Keep or hide? You decide. This answers our earlier question. Brought to you by Rachel Richardson, Leo's graduation cruise from Clovis, California. Adventure of the Seas, June 12, 2021. First cruise after COVID shutdown. Woohoo! Please not in pools or shops.
So he actually did graduate.
Oh, this is nice.
We are now heading to the ice skating show, and I got this hoodie that I've been wanting.
Adventure of the Seas.
It's perfect because I wanted the hoodie, and it'll work great to see the show. We found some seats. They have the reserved seating, of course.
And I've never seen an ice skating rink at sea before. It's freezing.
Something we didn't mention last time, but they've been doing this at all the shows, is that they tell which section to leave so that there's physical distancing so that not everyone is leaving the theater at once.
Very much, and of course this section right here, you folks right there, thank you for waiting, thank you for your patience, you can head on out.
But I thought the show was absolutely incredible. You were mentioning that you wish that there was like a high intensity show, and I feel like this was really it. It was super energetic. I was clapping. I forgot that I was cold the whole time. It was fantastic.
It was pretty good. It really hasn't happened much, but there is a limit of 4 people.
It did just happen that a guy was about to get on our elevator and then counted there were 4 of us.
I'm kind of surprised.
Yeah.
But we haven't really run into like a lot of people using the elevator. Normally it's just us.
Yeah.
Someone's a little baby, so we have to go to bed. But check out our Gus. Some sort of alien guy.
I'm not a baby. I'm just sleepy.
Or it's the guy from the Wash Your Hands music video. We don't really know.
I'm just sleepy.
I guess it's that guy.
Wash your hands.
That's him.
It looks just like him.
The ship started its trek towards Cozumel, and we're starting to get tired. See you tomorrow for our day at sea.